So diamonds are one of the hardest materials that exist on our planet. And ceramic coatings in the automotive world use a very high hardness level on their coatings in order to give you that protection as well as the slick hydrophobic effects that come with it. And I discovered the next generation of coating systems that instead of using the traditional ingredients that you found in ceramic coating, uses diamond nanotechnology in order to do that with much better protection and is way easier to install. So let's get started with this video. So thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. And like I said, we are going to be putting a protective coating, and this new coating system, instead of being ceramic silica based, is actually diamond based, nano diamond technology based, and it comes from diamondprotech.com. They have a ton of different protective coatings that handle every kind of automotive surface that you have, from exterior OEM paint, PPF vinyl, wheels, glass, even interior and leathers. And if you use my discount code New Horizon, you can save yourself 10% on your order. And because this applies thicker than you would traditional ceramic coatings, it actually does have a good amount of scratch resistance built into it, along with just being able to have that nice water beating hydrophobic effect and just overall protection from things like tree sap and bird droppings. I know for vinyl especially, it can be very, very temperamental in regards to any kind of bird droppings. I always have to be wiping it off almost immediately so I don't have a stain on the vinyl. This is the kind of stuff that is going to give you that extra layer of protection. Now, I need to re-emphasize that this is not a ceramic coating. This is better than ceramic coating, first off, but it is not ceramic coating itself. It uses a completely different principle, and that is kind of the beauty of why it works so well. But first off, what is the difference between a ceramic coating and this new kind of coating system? Well, ceramic coatings basically work using a mix of organic compounds like silicon dioxide, which is typically found in things like sand or quartz, and a solvent to keep it in liquid form. They also sometimes add other components like titanium dioxide to help strengthen the coating, as well as give that coat a more transparent look. Now, the solvent basically keeps the silica dioxide in a liquid form, which is why you can then use it as a coating, where then the solvent then evaporates and then you have that hard layer, which is good. You get a good hardness level rating with it, good protection, get good hydrophobic effects from it, but it's sometimes a little bit more tricky to put on a car. If you can get hot spots, it takes additional time for it to fully cure. The nano diamond system, though, takes it from a different approach. It's not a ceramic coating system. It uses a mixture of nano diamonds along with something called PHPS, which I'm going to butcher this already. I have it written down here because it's kind of hard to say. Perhydropolysilazine. No, perhydropolysilazine. Perhydropolysilazane. I think that's, yeah. Perhydropolysilazane. Got it. Okay, that's what it is. But essentially, it uses those two materials mixed in together to give you that proper layer, where the PHPS is helping fill in all the voids, and then the diamonds are providing that hardness to give you that really good 9H level hardness type protection. That also gives you the hydrophobic effects, also gives you the chemical resistance, the UV resistance, all of those different things. And this kit is DIY in one coat. So it applies thicker than your traditional ceramic coatings and gives you the full protection with just a single coat. You don't have to go through and do multiple coats of ceramic coating to try to get that full envelop protection. So this is way easier to apply. And like I said before, Diamond Protect has developed specific kits for whatever kind of surface you're trying to protect, whether it is traditional OEM paint or aftermarket paint, or you have vinyl or PPF installed, or you want to protect your wheels, or you want to just protect the glass, or even the interior. They have developed all these different kits for all those different surfaces. I'm super excited to try this out. This is going to make a huge impact in regards to protecting the vinyl that I have installed, as well as, I'm just gonna say it, I'm gonna be checking out all their different kits and making this C8Z06 a lot easier to clean and maintain kind of deal. So I'm super excited. And again, if you use my discount code New Horizon, you can save yourself a little bit of money on these kits should you choose to buy one. But let's go check out what you get inside this kit here. So opening up the box here, we have a few different things here. I'm just gonna start slowly taking them out. First, you have your applicator, which is what you're gonna be using the actual coating system when you apply it, and actually going in a crosshatch pattern, just like you would put traditional ceramic coatings. You then have also your actual vinyl coating system right here, which is this little bottle here. I'm just gonna take it out of the actual box here. And yeah, little bottle right here that basically is what is the actual diamond coating system there. And then you have other things like a diamond body prep in this kit. Now, generally you are going to need to do a bit of cleaning, like a traditional wash that you would do, like if you were trying to prep for ceramic coating, but then you actually would be using this diamond body prep system here to do your final clean. This will take off any kind of oils, any kind of polishes, or anything basically on the surface, so that you have the best kind of adhesion with this diamond protection system. And then from there, you actually are provided some gloves that you can use for universal gloves that you can put on. You don't want to have this stuff really on your hands, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of installing. And then this microfiber towel, which is pretty good. It feels good. I'm probably going to use a few extra microfiber towels just because, you know, you want to be able to kind of switch them out as you need. And this bottle, from everything that I've seen, will be able to handle pretty much a large SUV. So I could actually probably get 2 full coats of this if I wanted to on the C8 Z06, because, you know, it's not an SUV. But this is gonna essentially work for anything up to an SUV size vehicle. And that's basically what you get in this kit. So again, this would apply just like you would your typical ceramic coating systems, where you just gotta clean, prep the surfaces, then do section by section, let it flash. The flash time is around 1 to 3 minutes or so, which gives you plenty of time to then go through and buff it all off. And that's essentially it. So it's really simple, easy to install, and they guarantee this for 18 months of protection. So pretty good in regards to actually being able to get basically a 1.5 year protection, especially for vinyl wrap. This is Diamond Protech specifically designed kit for anything that is vinyl wrapped or PPF. This will work for both kinds of systems. And like I said, we're gonna have in future videos, we're gonna try out all their different kits, including ones for the wheel specifically, the one for the OEM paint, because my roof section is still my OEM carbon flash paint, and then check out things like the glass and the interior. So I'm really excited to share all this with you guys. And again, yeah, use my discount code New Horizon if you're interested in getting this for your car. I can already tell this is gonna be an awesome investment and make it a heck of a lot easier cleaning and maintaining my Z06. So with that being said, let's get started with getting this applied onto the car. Alrighty guys, so we have finished applying the Diamond Protect coating on the C8 Z06, primarily on the wrap sections, and it came out beautifully. And this stuff is so much easier to install than ceramic coating. You don't have the typical flashing that you do with ceramic coating that has the rainbow color. Instead, it actually starts streaking and beading, and that's when you know that it's ready to be buffed off. And because you have that 1 to 3 minute window, it's actually way easier to do larger sections than you would with traditional ceramic coating. Now, the Diamond Wrap and PPF kit version specifically works great on satin and matte wraps because it doesn't deepen the color or finish, so you maintain that original finish you were going for. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am that I have it installed, and it's kind of hard to really do a post-install review because there's not really much that you can like see as a difference, but you can feel the difference. The difference is so night and day. It's funny because when I did the install, I did it primarily first on the sides of the car before doing the back sections, like the engine section where I have it wrapped. And after I had applied those sections and I'm like leaning over the car to do the top sections, that first lean over with my body, I leaned over, I actually started slipping off the side of the car because I didn't properly brace myself on the side of the car. Because it's so slippery. And I know that sounds so exaggerated, like I'm exaggerating, but I kid you not, that happened to me. I even had my wife come out to the car and be like, hey, touch the car. And she was like, why? And she's like, no, touch it. She touched it and she was like, oh, I don't know if I like that. And it's not because it was like slimy or anything, it was because it was so smooth that she was just not expecting that. And it was the funniest thing. I really wish I had recorded that because it was just hilarious to me. But in any case, it is a huge, huge difference. I know I have the light dying on me a little bit. I have some water here that I'm just gonna quickly demonstrate like the power of this stuff and how well it freaking did. So I have it's just water from my water bottle. I'm gonna see if I can reasonably collect what's going on. Again, the sun is kind of dying on me here. But check this out, guys. I mean, this is full on beading off nothing. Like I have, all of this is beads of water that it easily just wipes off. There is nothing, you don't have puddles of water going along. And that's what causes all the stains and all that kind of stuff. This is properly beading off. This is all beading off of the vinyl wrap, which is now super silky smooth. I still need to do the top section, which is a different kit we're gonna be checking out, along with doing like the wheels and then the leather interior, all different kits that use this Diamond Protect coating, specific blends for these types of different surfaces, including also a glass version. We're also gonna be checking that out. If you can't tell in my voice, I was originally going into this thinking, oh, okay, this is a cool product. It's kind of like a different form of ceramic coat, which it is. It's completely different. And that is what has made me so excited about this, way more excited than I thought I would be, because this is gonna make my car so much easier to clean. And it actually does add that extra layer of protection that's obviously not like PPF, but is definitely scratch resistant. And it's just gonna give me that extra peace of mind whenever I'm just driving around, that I'm not afraid this car is just gonna get dirty after one drive kind of deal. So overall, I'm just so happy with this. If you're interested, use the code New Horizon to save yourself a little bit of money. I'll have the link in the description for all the different kits that they have. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed putting this together because this turned out great. So in any case, please check out any of my other videos and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.